Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Vivian, and today I'll be making a tutorial on how to draft an off-shoulder sleeve. Okay, so in my previous video I made a tutorial on how to draft an off-shoulder princess dart bustier. Okay, so this is the off-shoulder princess dart bustier. This is the neckline, this is the armhole. You can see the well curved princess dart from the armhole. You can see how well curved and beautiful it is. Okay, so I'll be leaving the link to this video in the description box so that you can check it out. Okay, now I'll be making a sleeve for this off-shoulder blouse. Okay, so to make our off-shoulder sleeve, you need to place your fabric on fold. Then I will take my sleeve measurement. Okay, that is my sleeve length. So from this part, let me just draw a line at this top. Okay, all right, this is just to guide us. Okay, so now from this top, I'll take my sleeve length. So the sleeve length is 12 inches. So this is 12 inches plus 1 inch seam allowance. So 1 inch hem allowance, sorry, that's for hemming. So this is my sleeve length. Okay, so my sleeve length and my hem. Now at this top, I'll take my cap sleeve measurement. Okay, so if you don't know how to calculate your cap sleeve measurement, just check my video on how to draft a basic sleeve pattern. So I gave that measurement there. So I'll be leaving the link to that video in the description box below. So check it out. So my cap sleeve measurement is 3.5 inches. Okay, so from this top, I'll take 3.5 inches. So I'll just mark it. Okay, then I'll draw a line. So now at this top, okay, that is the part that will be joined to the blouse. Okay, the part that will relax on the shoulder. You know, this is all shoulder, but the part that will relax on the lower shoulder. How to get your measurements? Okay, I have this drawing. Do not mind the drawing, just for illustration. So this part, you know, this is off shoulder. To get this measurement of your sleeve that will be joined to the blouse, this is how to do it. So you measure your round shoulder, that is, measure the shoulder round, that is round the shoulder. You divide it by 12, then add 1 to it. Okay, so round shoulder divide by 12 plus 1 inch. That will give you the measurement for your sleeve top. Okay, so for this line, the round shoulder is 40 inches plus 40 inches divided by 12, that is 3.3 inches plus 1, that is 4.3. okay, so 4.3 is what we'll measure here, but we'll add ½ inch seam allowance. You know, this is a sleeve and it will be added to the blouse, so we'll have to add that seam allowance for joining. So 4.3 plus 0.5. 0.5 is ½ inch. So 4.3 plus 0.5, that will be, that is 4.8. Okay, so 4.8 is the measurement I would place here. So 4.8 is around this side, close to 5. So I'll take my 4.8. So this is it here. Okay, so this is this top part. Okay, so now on this line, okay, this cap sleeve line, we'll place our armhole measurement. Okay, the armhole measurement, the measurement from the shoulder to the armhole. So there are 2 ways of doing this. You can measure your round armhole. Okay, round, you measure your round armhole, divide it by 2, or you check on the formula I gave in my tutorial on how to draft a basic bodice pattern. Okay, so I gave that formula there. So for me, my armhole measurement is 7.5 inches. Okay, so 7.5 inches, this is it at this point. Okay, this is it here, but I'll be adding allowance. In my blouse, I added 2 inches allowance. So whatever allowance you added to your blouse, that is what you would add here, so that by the time you join your sleeve to the blouse, it would align. Okay, you have it rhyming. So I added 2 inches allowance there, so I would also add my 2 inches allowance to the sleeve, so that our armhole will be the same. Now I would connect it like so. Okay, so I'll make a curve. So I'll connect this point to this point using a curve like this. So this is it. So this is our sleeve armhole. So at this point, I'll take my round sleeve. So my round sleeve is 12 inches. 12 inches divided by 2, that is 6 inches. Then I'll add ½ inch seam allowance. So I add my ½ inch seam allowance, that is 6.5. Okay. Now you'll be wondering why I added ½ inch seam allowance here and I added 2 here. The reason for adding 2 here is that this part will be added to the blouse, so we need it to align. And because I took 2 inches, I added 2 inches allowance at my blouse. That is why I am adding 2 inches here, so that it will align. This side has nothing to do with the blouse. We are not joined. This side will be joined on its own. It will not be attached to the blouse. So I'm taking just ½ inch seam allowance here. Okay. So now I would connect. So I'll just connect my points. Okay. So this is it. Then I'll cut it out. Okay. So to cut out, I'll have to fold it. Like so. Just fold it at this point. Said if you have excess of the material, you fold and you cut out. So subscribe to my channel, okay, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any video. So I upload new videos every week. And this is just going out. So also open it and cut out this part. Alright, so this is our sleeve. This is our off shoulder sleeve. Now, if you want it curvy at this up part, okay, that is this part. Sometimes you want your sleeve to be curvy here, okay. So what you will do is come down here by ½ inch. So just come down by ½ inch. Then you connect. Use your curve to connect it. So you can come down by ½ inch, can come down by ¼ inch, depending on what you want. Okay, so you cut it out. So I have it. So you can see our off shoulder sleeve. Okay. So you can see our blouse, our sleeve, and the blouse. So this is our armhole. Okay, these are princess darts coming from the armhole. So this is where we connect our sleeve. Okay, now this is paper. So if it was on fabric, it would have gone smoothly, and you just join. So this is it. So this is our off shoulder sleeve. It's very easy to draft, and this is our off shoulder princess dart bustier. So do check on this video. I'll be leaving the link in the description box. Okay, so thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click on that subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Okay, and share this video with friends so that they too will learn. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.